This video demonstrates how to use the Circle Editor to connect to the cluster for GUI-based circle development. By using the Circle Editor to connect to the cluster, GUI development settings, and Circle Data Basic Development, you can further master the use of the Circle Editor. The cluster to be connected has been created. In the navigation pane, choose Circle Editor. Click Add Data Source. Select Cluster and Database. Enter the data source name, username, and password. If the test connection is successful, the creation is successful. Click Configure in the upper right corner. Make some basic settings for the editor. For example, autocomplete table column name. You can also use shortcut key to quickly compile circle statements in the editor. Selecting a bucket OBS on saving path, the script is saved to the bucket path by default. You can also activate database and schema permission filtering. Click OK. Configuration succeeded. Switch to Script panel. Click Create Directory. Set the directory name. The value can contain only letters, digits, and underscores. Click OK. Click Create Script. Select the new directory from the drop-down list box. Set the script name. The global bucket OBS on path is selected by default. Click OK. Save the script to the OBS directory. Right-click the database name and click Create Database. Set the database name. Select the new database owner, compatibility mode, and encoding from the drop-down list box. The connection limit value cannot be less than -1. The value -1 indicates no limit. Click Preview and click OK. The database contains the user schema, system schema, and external server. Right-click the user mode name and click Create Schema. Set the schema name. Select the owner of the new schema from the drop-down list box. Click Preview and click OK. Schema contains structures such as common tables, foreign tables, views, functions, sequences, and synonyms. Right-click the name of the common table and click Create Common Table. Set the data table name. You can select row or column table orientation. Select whether to create a partition table. Add the required columns. Set the column name. Select the data type of the new column from the drop-down list box. Select whether the new column is not null or unique. If this parameter is dimmed, the precision cannot be set. Click Save. You can select a data distribution, such as round-robin, replication, or hash. Click Add Index to improve the database query performance. Set index name. You can select unique index. Select an index access mode. B-tree is recommended. The options are column and expression. The where condition constraint can be added. Click Save. Click Add Constraint. The options of constraint type are check, unique, or primary. Set the constraint name. Select an optional column. Click Save. Click Preview and click OK. The common table is successfully created. Right-click the data table name. You can click View Details to view table details. You can also edit the table. For example, click Operation Constraint to delete a table constraint. Click OK. In the editing panel, select the data source, database and schema. You can perform GUI-based operations on circle statements. For example, create a table. Click the Running button. Created successfully. Refresh the navigation bar to view.